Can you see what you're sewing? I have a cool tool today that I think everybody needs, regardless of whether they sew or not, if they wear glasses. When I went to my sister's house for Easter, I couldn't see out of my glasses. I was in the kitchen helping her and they were all smudged up. She said to me, I have the perfect thing that you can use to clean your glasses. So I expected her to bring me a little spritz bottle with cleaning solution and maybe a cleaning cloth. But instead, she brought me this. What this is Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner. And the thing I like about it is you don't have to have your cleaning cloth. You don't have to have any cleaning solution. Let me show you how this works. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to push this little button to retract the soft brush. And the brush is really designed to brush away any larger pieces of lint or things that you can visibly see on your glasses that you can brush off. And essentially what you would do is you would just, rub that around where you need it. I don't really have any big lint on my lenses right now, but I wanted to show you how to use that. So after you've done that step, what you do is you grasp the case on this little ridged area right here and you pull it open to reveal these two cleaning pads. Now these cleaning pads are very cool because they're not wet, but they're specially designed to clean your lens really, really well. So what you do is you insert it into over your frame, and then you squeeze gently. Don't squeeze too hard, just gentle enough to make contact, and then just rub the cleaning pads along your lenses like this. Okay, and then it does a really good job of cleaning both the front side and the inside of your lenses. And I'm laughing at myself. Sometimes when I'm doing a cleaning video, I have to mess something up before I can show you how to clean it. My glasses are perpetually smudged. I'm a eyeglass smudger, and I've used this thing countless times since I've gotten it. I love it. So see how easy that is? You just rub your glasses clean. And then I'm going to just put this right here. Woo, now I can see, and my lenses are crystal clear. I'm so excited. When I got home from Mother's Day, I went right on Amazon and I purchased the 3-pack. One for me, one for my daughter, and one for my husband. We all wear glasses. I'm including an Amazon affiliate link in the description below so you can check these out. They're available in a number of really fun colors. I picked the lime green so it's nice and bright and I can find it on my work table. Now, part of the magic of these Peeps Carbon Lens Cleaner is the fact that every time you put it away back in its case, the little pads get cleaned to some extent. So if we look inside the case itself, you can see, I think you can see there's a little divider in the case. And as you insert the Peeps back in the case, what happens is they rub along that divider and it freshens the surface of those pads for your next use. I can tell you, I've used my Peeps numerous times since it arrived in the mail, and it still works as wonderfully as the first time. I love this thing. So I think I'm going to order a few more so I can have one in my travel bag for when I'm teaching, and maybe one in the kitchen for when I smudge up my glasses while I'm cooking. I love this thing. So if you have eyeglasses and if you struggle to keep your lenses clean, I think this is the cool tool for you. If you have any questions or comments, please post those below and I will help you. If you're enjoying my content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It helps me grow and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.